How to set a camera timer on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the camera application on your device, and as you can see, this is the camera that it looks like. So all you have to do is you can see different menus and options over here at the top. So just tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and then here you'll be able to see different timers over here. 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds are the timer that you'll be provided with. So you can select any of the timer that you want. For example, if I want to select on 3 seconds, I just have to tap on it, go back and then tap on the picture. It will give it 3 timers and then it will click a picture. Similarly, if you want it for 5 seconds of the timer, then go back and then click a picture, and it will give you a 5 seconds timer. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.